Well, I've been relaxing by the river, and that what do you call it? The Cheez-It that I put down is now surrounded by ants. I'll show you. Yeah, look at all those guys. They sure are loving their Cheez-It. Well, I'm gonna continue on a little bit further. If I add this to the video, then you'll see it next. But if I don't, sorry. No, actually, I'm probably gonna add this to the video. It might be a part 2, depending on how long it is. But when I get here, it's like I just want to like relax. But then I get like adventurous, and I want to go and venture and go and like walk around. It's hard for me to sit down and relax for a bit. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna continue that way and see where it leads. I pretty much know where it goes because I've been throughout this whole area. But yeah, let's go on, continue on. Figuring out how to get out of here. I had to take my hoodie off because it was getting a little warm. Going through all these trees. Ooh, that has some wetness on it. Remember like when you were a kid and like those, I don't know where you live, but where I live, there was like these spit bugs that would like sit on leaves, and it looks like a pile of spit on the leaf. And if you like squish it and like the spit and like go like this, you'll see a bug come out of it. I always call them spit bugs. I don't know if that's the real name, but that's what it felt like. Whoa, it's a grasshopper. I got distracted. Grasshopper went by me. I haven't seen one of those guys in a while. But let's see where this goes. See if we can get back to the river, like over that way. The journey continues. Feels so good to be out here. Don't even know. Just being out in the woods and nature. I'm actually cutting across. I should have just kept going forward, but I want to cut through here. Okay. Oh, dragonfly. Sorry, I get distracted by insects and critters. Let's see here. I'll show you where I'm at. I can go that way. See where that goes. This is all like dense bush. Not dense bush, but I can get through it, but I'm going to go this way. Feels good on my feet anyways, the sand. Feels like I'm walking on like a sponge or like marshmallows. You like marshmallows? Spiderweb. I can see all the spider webs. I usually get a stick or a branch and wipe the cobwebs away, spider webs. There's one right here. You can tell that this trail's been walked on a little bit. Now we're getting into the dense bush. I see a clearing over there. Just think I should cut through here. Should I continue on? I'm going to continue on because it looks like I can go through that area. Keep running into spider webs. Chop, chop. I'm going to go through here. I want to go into the... There we go. There's another area. It's weird, it's so quiet over here. I'm close to the river, but I don't hear it. Strange. Pretty cool to camp out here. Yeah, this is like quiet, calm waters. I'm gonna go to the beach. I was just over there. It's like calming waters. This is relaxing. Can't even hear the river. This part of the river is so quiet. So it's like not even making any sounds. You can hear it down there. This would probably be a perfect area to go swimming. Or just hang out in the water during a hot day. I'm getting ideas. I'm thinking about, I don't have a towel though. I'm thinking about going in, but let's see how cold the water is. It's a little chilly. Woo, it's like ice water. Damn, that's so cool, like the sand. Yeah, that's a little, ooh, that would, I would instantly get frozen. It's like ice baby, sorry. Ice water. Oh. Now rejuvenating that would be though. I don't know what's down in there though. If I walk in there and stub my ankle, that would suck. I feel good on a like 90-degree day. Like that rock, you know, and go sit on that rock, wade in the water during a hot day. That'd be cool. It's not that hot today. Well, that was fun. I've always wanted to do that. I've done it before in the past, but it's been a while. I stacked some rocks up. I saw some rocks that were already kind of stacked, and so I right there were like maybe a few rocks were stacked up, and then I did the rest. I did a time lapse, so you'll see it in the video. It's pretty cool. It's fun. I don't know how long it'll stay, but we'll see. Oh, actually I won't see because I'll be gone. I don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm trying to move it around so you guys can see it. Especially right where is that? There's like a bunch of them. Right there. Pretty cool. Into the water it goes. So no one can have it but me. Wait, I can't have it because I just threw it in the water. Never mind. That's cool though. My little construction building. The breeze is blowing right now. Oh God, see what happens nature does to you? Releases the energy. Is that you, Jesus? Sorry, never mind. A good friend of mine started laughing at that part. Oh God, good times. I just don't want to leave. I wanted to go and venture, but then I found this area. It's so relaxing over here because it's like calming and relaxing. How many times do I say that? I don't know. Look at that. I can't leave this area. I don't even know what time it is. That's another thing. When you're like out in nature, you don't even know like what time it is. Like when you're in the city and towns and whatever and at your house, it's like you keep track of time and things and stuff, and then when you're out in here, nature, it's like whatever. What time is it? I don't care. Is it lunchtime? Is it dinner time? I don't know. Is it bedtime? I don't know. Exactly. It's like your thoughts go away. All that stress is released. It's nice. Probably going to enjoy this for a little bit longer and then head back. So nice and calming. Should try meditating. I have a hard time with meditating. Have you guys tried meditating? It's like you got to practice. It's like focus on your breathing. And I tried doing that, and it like works for me like a minute. I guess you got to practice. I guess. I read something where you got to like keep doing it for like months, and about a month later, you'll probably start realizing the difference of meditating. But with me, I want to see results right away, but that's not going to happen. I might try doing that. Thanks for coming, guys, on my little journey to the river. Doesn't that sound good? I can turn those yellow. See, now they're yellow. Well, I'm gonna go and venture a little bit further and then call it good. Thanks for enjoying my video. Hopefully you did. And until next time, bye.